Okay, we're at the Oceans Builder factory here in Panama. We just got another subfloor section out of the mold we had conducted last week. So the guys are just preparing the mold here again now. And so we'll be popping out some more subfloor sections. And then eventually what we're going to do is arrange them around our spar. So we'll take you over to do the spar and see what the updates are there. What's happening here now is that the guys are polishing the mold, and they're going to coat that then with a layer of releasing wax releaser, and then eventually they'll put 7 tiers of fiberglass in here to make our subfloor sections that we got right here. There'll be 26 of those units created out of these molds. What we have here is a 2-part mold. We have this section right here that goes on top. So we create the mold, we put in our fiberglass, and then when we're ready to release it, we just pops off this section, and then we just pop the whole subfloor assembly unit out. So we're progressing really well with this here now, and we'll move over to the where we got a unit sit up here so that we can have a look and explain a little bit more about that.